Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my home, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that video. Here is some extreme cleaning motivation from my home to yours. I love to bring this type of stuff to my channel. If you enjoy that sort of thing, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Let's get to it. This is Bloom Green and Superfoods powder and the berry I just add to my water. It is great. I just wanted to share that. Not sponsored, just in case you want to try it. It's not got an overpowering green flavor, just the berry. And it's very good and very healthy. Dollar Tree fabric refresher in lavender for $1.25. Not bad at all, especially compared to the other brands out there like Febreze. Smells great and freshens up the space. This is a new cleaning product by the Dollar Tree, Pink Formula All-Purpose Cleaner for, of course, $1.25. I'm guessing this is Dollar Tree's version of the pink stuff. Now, it does have a great smell to it. It's not chemically, it's not overpowering or anything like that. I find it very pleasing and refreshing to the senses, and as far as a cleaner, it is comparable with other things that I have used in my kitchen sink. So I definitely think this is worth a try in your home as well. This pet fur removal tool you see me using here, I've shown it before. I purchased it off Amazon for $9.99 for a 2-pack. This is a nifty little gadget. You can use it in your car, your carpet, your slip covers, any kind of fabric, and it works awesome. As you see here to the right, the fur that it has removed, and I'm just going to take a vacuum and go over that real quick. So it is a great tool to help clean your stairs up or any kind of fabric that you may have lying around the house or in your car.